Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the battery in your GMC remote control. One of these remote controls, they go with the 2001, 2002, 3, 4, all the way to 2007, 8 GMC trucks. And the same remote is used in a Cadillac Escalade, some other GMC Cadillac models, and some trucks, SUVs, and other. So this is the remote control, and this is how we change the battery. To do this, all you need is a quarter, the remote control, and a replacement battery. The replacement battery is CR2032. You could buy these cheap in any store, including eBay or Amazon. Okay, so if you notice on the edge of the remote control, there's a little notch. That's where you need to enter the quarter and twist it like this. Like that. So it opens up. Once it opens up, you will see the PC board with the battery on it. Take that out. This is the battery you need to replace. You need something like a little needle or a small screwdriver to push this out from here. And you take your new battery from the packaging, slide it in first this way, slide it in and snap it on this edge. Like that. I'm gonna do that one more time. Let's say you take it out, and this is how you slide it back in. Now this unit has a brand new battery. Then you put it, make sure you put it correctly. See, like that. You put it this way. And close this, which snaps back in. That's all. And this doesn't have an LED light, but that's a brand new battery, so it should work just fine. Okay. I hope that will help you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.